Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my beloved Hazur.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Sayyid Mustafa Shah, and my question is, what were your immediate feelings and reactions when you heard the news of the demise of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih IV?
What was my immediate reaction? Huh? Did you ask this question from your father or mother?
No.
No?
No, I didn't.
Well, you see, one day before I listened to his khutbah and he looked very fresh, and even there's some mulaqat, collective mulaqat in the evening in the mosque, and he seemed very fresh at that time. So it was very shocking for me to listen next day. So as soon as I arrived home from my office, and this shocking news came to me that he has passed away, and my reaction was the same as it should have been when your loved one passes away. What is your reaction? That was my reaction.
Ji.
Okay, बैठ जाओ.
Jazakallah.
Yes.